Hi there! Today, with the help of our channel's medicine research scientist, we are going to provide you with 5 fruits that you should avoid during pregnancy. But first, why don't you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell? We are the best place on YouTube for all your health tip needs. 1. Pineapple. This is because eating pineapple can lead to sharp uterine contractions, which in turn can result in a miscarriage. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme which breaks down protein. It can soften the cervix and could result in early labor. 2. Papayas. Papaya can cause your body temperature to shoot up, which is not good during pregnancy. It is also rich in latex, which can lead to uterine contractions, bleeding, and even miscarriage. It may also impair the development of the fetus. 3. Bananas. Women who suffer from allergies and women who have diabetes or gestational diabetes should avoid eating bananas. Bananas contain chitinas, which is an allergen and also increases body heat. 4. Watermelon. Body may be exposed to the various toxins that the watermelon flushes out the toxins through urine. This fruit is usually good for the health of a pregnant woman, but it can have certain undesirable effects, like increase in blood glucose levels. 5. Dates. Dates cause the body to heat up and may even lead to uterine contractions, so while eating a single date or 2 per day should be okay, anything more can lead to complications. We hope you learned a lot today about 5 fruits that you should avoid during pregnancy. Let us know in the comments below what you think. Enjoyed this video? Hit like and subscribe to ZOOXFIT. Wait, we did not forget to tell you about our other awesome videos. Go ahead, choose one of these videos and enjoy.